Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. In this detailed video, we bring you everything you need to know about Angapradakshanam Darshan in Tirumala, from how to book the free tickets online to the complete step-by-step process, dress code, reporting timings and Darshan experience. If you are planning this sacred form of worship, this video is your complete guide. Stay with us till the end to avoid missing any crucial information. Don't forget to subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues so they too can benefit from this sacred darshan. Angapradakshanam tickets are issued free of cost to all devotees by TTD. These tickets are available only online. They are not available offline anywhere in Tirumala or Tirupati. Angapradakshanam tickets can be booked through the TTD app or the TTD website. A minimum of 1 and a maximum of 2 tickets can be booked using a single mobile number login. Both ticket holders must mandatorily perform Angapradakshanam and tickets cannot be booked for helpers as Sevaks will be available inside the temple to assist. Once an Angapradakshanam ticket is booked using a mobile number login and Aadhaar number, there must be a 90-day gap from the date of the darshan to book another Angapradakshanam ticket using the same mobile number, Aadhaar number and email ID. Whether the devotee avails the darshan or not, the 90-day interval is applicable from the date of booked Angapradakshanam darshan. In simple terms, 90 days must pass between two Angapradakshanam darshans. However, you can still book other Tirumala darshan tickets such as Senior Citizen Darshan, Rs 300 Special Entry Darshan, VIP Break Darshan, Srinivasa Divya Anugraha Vishesha Homam Darshan ticket or any other darshan tickets using the same mobile number login and Aadhaar. Similarly, even if you have booked any other darshan tickets, you can still book Angapradakshanam tickets for yourself. Once booked, Angapradakshanam tickets cannot be cancelled or rescheduled. Angapradakshanam bookings are open for all days except Fridays as Abhishekam for Lord Tirupati Balaji takes place on Fridays. 750 tickets will be available for booking on all days except Saturdays, on which only 500 tickets will be released. Ticket bookings for an entire month open 3 months in advance on a single day and are not released daily. Since these tickets are issued free of cost, no payment gateway is involved during the booking. Tickets get completely booked within 1 to 1.5 minutes due to two main reasons: the limited number of tickets and the absence of payment process. Booking is especially fast on weekends like Saturdays and Sundays and on special tithis such as Paurnami and Ekadasi. It is comparatively easier to book tickets on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. To book tickets quickly without errors, use the mobile clipboard feature or notepad copy-paste option. Tickets are not required for children below 12 years. You can take them along with you, but their Aadhaar card or school ID is mandatory for age verification at the time of reporting. Children are not required to perform Angapradakshanam. They can walk alongside you. Both Angapradakshanam and Lord Balaji Darshan can be completed using the Angapradakshanam ticket. No need to book a separate ticket for Lord Balaji Darshan. Lord Balaji Darshan is limited till Dwarabalakas Jayan and Vijayan. TTD has not specified any minimum or maximum age limit for performing Angapradakshanam. As per TTD rules, only if a minimum of 2 darshan tickets are booked using the same mobile number login at the same time, the book accommodation link will be enabled under your darshan ticket, making you eligible to book TTD rooms online. On the day general accommodation booking opens, you can click on this book accommodation link and book TTD rooms online. If only one ticket is booked, the book accommodation link will not be enabled and online room booking will not be available. Reporting time for Angapradakshanam is 1 am and the reporting location is ATC Circle. Dress code for ladies sari or chudidar with dupatta is mandatory. For gents, dhoti is compulsory, shirts and vest are not allowed. Upon entering the temple, men will be requested to remove shirts and vest and may wear uttariyam, which is otherwise called as upper towel. All devotees must report in wet cloths, which will be randomly checked by TTD officials. As part of tradition, devotees must take 3 holy dips in the Pushkarini Tirtham before reporting for Angapradakshanam. Usage of soap, shampoo and washing cloths is strictly prohibited in Pushkarini. At 12 midnight, Pushkarini Gate PS1 near the Tirupati Balaji temple will open exclusively for Angapradakshanam ticket holders. Tickets will be verified before entering Pushkarini. After taking the holy dip, devotees can wring out and drain clothes completely and report at ATC circle. Please leave your luggage, mobile phones and smartwatches in your room. If you do not have a room booking, you may deposit these items at the designated counters in the darshan queue itself and collect them later from the PAC4 building. Clear signboards are placed around the temple premises to guide you to the PAC4 luggage and mobile collection center. Carry your Angapradakshanam ticket and Aadhaar ID safely in a Ziploc cover to avoid them getting wet. Separate queues will be formed for gents and ladies near ATC circle. First, ladies will be allowed to join the queue, followed by gents. After ticket verification and luggage deposit, ladies and gents will be made to sit in separate compartments. At around 2:45 am, ladies' compartments will open. After personal checking and baggage scanning, they will join the darshan queue. Following that, gents' compartments will be opened and they will also join the queue after security checks. Ladies will wait near the Dvajastambam inside the temple, which is otherwise called as temple flagpole. At exactly 3 am, as the priest begin chanting the Suprabhadam, women are the first to perform Angapradakshanam. Once they have completed, men are then allowed to proceed with the Angapradakshanam. Suprabhadam Seva and Angapradakshanam will take place in parallel. Angapradakshanam begins near Bangaru Vakli and concludes near Sheivari Undi. Only one complete round is allowed. Lady Sevaks will be available to assist women during the Angapradakshanam. After completing their Angapradakshanam, ladies will return and stand near the Dvajastambam. Gents will wait beside the Tulabhara Mandapam after completing their Angapradakshanam. Once Suprabhadam Seva ticket holders complete their darshan and exit, ladies who did Angapradakshanam will be allowed inside first for Lord Balaji darshan, followed by the gents. Darshan concludes by 4 am. After exiting the temple, visit the laddu counter and submit your darshan ticket to receive 150 rupees laddu at free of cost. For extra laddus, you can pay 50 rupees for a regular sized laddu and 200 rupees for a big sized laddu. If you have surrendered your luggage earlier in the darshan queue, visit PAC4 to collect your belongings. This concludes our complete guide on Angapradakshanam Darshan at Tirumala. We hope this video has helped you understand the process clearly and prepares you for a divine and smooth experience. Don't forget to subscribe to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching and see you again in another informative video.